Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 9.1 in that question number 1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So this is assume AB is a vertical pole. Find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. This is rope and this is a vertical pole. Okay, this is pole. This rope has made an angle with the ground at 30 degree. So now we have to find out this distance, that is AB distance, that is vertical pole height we have to calculate. So for that we know that the angle subtended at point C, this is a right angle triangle and which is right angled at B, and the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. That is angle C is equal to 30 degree and which is right angled at B. So that is equal to 90 degree. So this is a right angle means, so we can apply for the Pythagoras theorem. If we know the both the sides, so we know only one side. So hence we can apply trigonometric ratio to calculate this vertical pole height. That which trigonometric ratio can be used? That is this side is now it is opposite side. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which ratio it is? So here sin theta, that we know that sin theta value is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So here opposite is this AB. Okay. So AB is the opposite and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. So now sin theta. Theta value also we know. Theta is equal to 30 degree. So now we will substitute this one. That is sin of 30 is equal to AB divided by AC. AC means 20 meter he has given. This AB distance can be found. That is AB is equal to 20 into sin of 30. So sin of 30 is what it is? It is equal to 1 by 2. So AB is equal to 20 into 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 tens. So AB is equal to, this is equal to 10 meters. Okay, this is equal to 10 meters. That's what he has asked. Okay, find the height of the pole. That is pole height is 10 meters. So exercise 9.1 in that question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches to the ground. So here this is a tree, so it breaks and the tip of the tree is touching to the ground at point C. So this is, let us assume this is A point, B point and C point. So here the skeletal diagram will be A, B and C. Okay. So it is making an angle of 30 degree with it. So this angle will be is equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So this is 8 meters. So hence BC is equal to 8 meters. Okay. So find the height of the tree. So height of the tree we have to find out. So the height of the tree is nothing but C, AB plus AC. So we have to find out AB plus AC distance we have to calculate. So he has given this BC. So this and this both we have to find out. So first we will consider, see here, this angle he has given. So here one thing he has given, that is adjacent side. This is adjacent side for this angle. So adjacent by opposite or opposite adjacent. Any angle, any trigonometric ratio you can take. So for that, which is having adjacent side. So here cos of 30 if you take, so cos 30 is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So we will write cos of 30 degree is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So adjacent is nothing but what? BC divided by AC. So BC value we know and 30 degree also we know, that is cos of 30. So we can find out AC. So here AC can be found by using BC divided by cos of 30. So BC is nothing but what? 8. So cos 30 means what? Here. So 8 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. That is root 3 divided by 2. So AC is equal to 8 divided by root 3 into 2. Okay. So AC is equal to 8 into 2, 16. 16 divided by root 3. So here we know the value of AC, that is equal to 16 divided by root 3. So we have to find out this AB value also. So AB value means here, see here, opposite by adjacent we can take, or opposite by hypotenuse we can take. So sin of 30 we will take. So sin of 30 is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite here it is AB, hypotenuse means AC. So we will substitute this AC and sin 30 so that we can find out AB. So AB is equal to AB is equal to AC into sin 30. Okay. So AC is equal to what? 16 divided by root 3 into, here sin 30 is nothing but this is 1 by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 8s are. So this is equal to 8 by root 3. Okay. This is 8 by root 3. So now the total height of the tree is nothing but here AB divided by AC. So height of tree is equal to AB plus AC. So AB is equal to what here? AB is equal to 8 by root 3 and AC is equal to 16 by root 3. That is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. So root 3 will be LCM. So 16 plus 8, so that is equal to 24 divided by root 3. So here root 3 we can multiply and divide both sides. So that what happens? See here. Root 3 into root 3, it will be equal to 3. So this is 24 root 3. So 3 ones are 3 8s are. So the answer will be 8 root 3. Okay. The height of the tree, that is AB plus AC is equal to 8 by root 3. This is the answer. This is the height of the tree. Exercise 9.1 in that question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. So let us consider this is a ramp for the age below 5 years. That is less than 5 years age of children. So here the height of this one will be 1.5 meter and this is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So this is ground level. So this is ground. So this angle of this slide is inclined at 30 degree. Okay. Whereas for elder children, this is for elder children. Okay. This is for elder children. She wants to have steep slide at a height of 3 meters. So this height will be 3 meters. Okay. And inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So this is 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? So this length and this length they are asking. So first consider this one, that is slide which is less than 5 years old. So for this you see this they want means we have to use a trigonometric ratio which is opposite. This opposite value we know, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means sin 30. That is sin of 30 degree is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite is nothing but suppose this is A, B and C and this is also A, B and C. So here AB divided by AC. Okay, so this is AB divided by AC. So which is AB is nothing but what? 1.5 and AC is that we have to calculate. So sin 30 1 by 2. So hence AC is equal to 1.5 divided by sin 30. So this is equal to 1.5 divided by 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay. So this can be written as 15 divided by 5, removing the decimals. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So this is equal to 3. This is 3 meters. So this will be equal to 3 meters. Okay. So now second case we will consider, that is above 5 years, that is elder children. So for this what happens, again the sin 60 value we can put. So sin of 60 is equal to opposite same divided by hypotenuse. So which is equal to AB by AC. So this is AB is nothing but what? 3 divided by AC that we have to calculate. So AC is equal to 3 divided by sin of 60. So here this is equal to 3 divided by sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So by 2 will be comes here. So 2 by 1. So this can be written as 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 2 as it is. Okay, this is root 3. So 1 root 3 will be gets cancelled. So the remaining length will be 2 root 3 meters. So this is equal to 2 root 3 meters. So this is what they have asked to calculate. So this is the solution. So exercise 9.1 in that question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. Let us consider this is a point on the ground. Okay. So this is C and this is A and this is B. So this is the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower and this is 30 meter away from this point. Okay. So now find the height of the tower. So this height, that is height of the tower means AB. So this we have to find out. And the angle of elevation, that is 30 degree. The angle of elevation will be, this is 30 degree. Okay. So again here opposite, this is the opposite side. AB is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So opposite divided by adjacent, that we have to use the trigonometric ratio. That is tan of theta. We know that opposite divided by adjacent. Okay. So here tan of 30 degree is equal to opposite side means what? AB. So divided by BC. Okay. So AB we have to calculate. So AB is equal to BC into tan 30. So BC value, that is 30 meter. Tan 30 means, so tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay. This is 1 by root 3. So this is equal to 30 divided by root 3. So this is AB distance. This is the value. So the height of the, that is the height of the tower is equal to 30 divided by root 3 meters. Okay. We'll go for next one. So exercise 9.1, question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in that string. So here a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So this is ground. Okay. So 60 meter above the ground means the height of this one he has given. Height of this kite he has given. And the string attached to the kite. So here, so let us consider this is a kite. Okay. So the string attached to this one, it is tied at the point on the ground. Okay. And the inclination this is equal to 60 degree. Okay. And assuming that there is no slack. So like this, there is no slack. This is straight line. So now this is 60 degree and this is 60 meters. So what he has asked to find out? Find the length of the string. So this length we have to calculate. Assuming that there is no slack. Okay. So now we know that opposite side we know. This is the angle he has given. Opposite side he has given and we have to calculate the hypotenuse. So sin 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin of theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side means this is here, for example, this is A and B and C. Okay. So here AB divided by AC. So here we will substitute value, that is AC is equal to AB divided by sin of 30, sin of theta. So here AB is nothing but 60 meter, sin of 60. So here 60 divided by sin 60 means this is root 3 divided by 2. So here 120 divided by root 3. So this is the answer, that is meters. This much meters. So here string length will be 120 divided by root 3 meters.